In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. If pages are looking blank, buttons don't respond, or embedded content refuses to load, chances are JavaScript is turned off. JavaScript is the scripting language that powers most interactive features on modern websites, so enabling it usually restores full functionality. Start with Chrome open on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and open the menu by selecting the icon with 3 dots. In that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar. Select Privacy and Security. This area controls what websites can do in your browser, including permissions for things like location, notifications, and scripts. Scroll within this section and choose Site Settings to open the detailed controls for how sites behave. Under the Content heading, find and select JavaScript. This page determines whether sites can run JavaScript in your browser. To enable it, choose Sites can use JavaScript. Think of this as the on position. It allows all sites to run scripts unless you specifically block them. If the option was already on, you're set. If you changed it from off to on, remember to reload any pages you had open so they can run properly with the new setting. Just below, you'll see areas for customized behavior. There's a list for sites that are always allowed and another for sites that are not allowed to use JavaScript. If a particular site still isn't working after you've enabled JavaScript, check that it isn't listed under the blocked section. Removing a site from the blocked list or adding it to the allowed list ensures it can run the scripts it needs while keeping stricter rules for other sites. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Some work or school devices may manage Chrome's settings centrally. If you notice the JavaScript option is grayed out or says it's managed, you might need to contact your administrator. Also, if you use incognito windows or profiles with different settings, make sure you're enabling JavaScript in the profile you actually browse with. Finally, after enabling, give the page a refresh. If something still looks off, a full browser restart can help apply the change consistently. That's it. With JavaScript enabled, websites should feel responsive and fully interactive again. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.